Hello learners, in this topic let's discuss about crop and seed production in further detail. Here we have contents as importance of field crops and horticultural crops including vegetables. First we have field crops. In field crop, a crop other than fruits or vegetables that is grown for agricultural processes, cotton, hay or grain field are field crops. Field corn, corn grown primarily for an animal feed or market grain. Importance of field crops. Improving production efficiency, mitigating production risk, increasing economic activity, and enhancing sustainability. Major programming initiatives within these categories are developed and prioritized according to input from advisory groups consisting of growers, agribusiness, and public agency partners. Horticulture. Let's discuss what is horticulture. It is a branch of plant agriculture dealing with garden crops, generally fruits and vegetables. In this, the word is derived from Latin hortus, that is means garden, and colere, to cultivate. Horticulture is divided into the cultivation of plants for food and plants for ornament. Horticultural regions. First we have temperate zones. These are those areas where frost in winters occurs, even though rarely. Tropical zones. There is no sharp line of demarcation between the tropics and the subtropics. Types of horticulture. Olericulture, the production of vegetables. Pomology, also called fruiticulture, the production of fruits and nuts. Viticulture, the production of grapes, largely intended for winemaking. And floriculture, the production of flowering and ornamental plants. Turf management, the production and maintenance of turf grass for sports, leisure and amenity use. Arboriculture, the cultivation and care of individual trees, shrubs, vines and amenity purposes.